this. Restored headlights. Do I have to put eyeline on my headlights? I'll put it anyway. Work wheels, Emmets. Shout out to my best friend, G-Bone Adon, for helping me get this rare type wheels. Rear upper camber arm, adjustment width, original ratio minus 25mm 10mm. Rear upper arm, camber is now installed. I put roll center adapter, 8" 20mm low down, camber adapter. New tire Nankan to 535 R19. I'm not satisfied with the camber plate, so I bought upper arm to fit it nicely. Front upper arm pilo ball, specification, camber adjustment, width, minus 25mm 5mm 30mm camber minus 3 degree short knuckle. There will be 3 degrees of negative camber compared to the current situation. Entry.
Di mapaliwanag ano naninag ko, kakaibaliwanag na iwan mo. Tinitigan ko, nilapitan ko, hanggang sa may diwata na pagdinat ko. Nalasing kagabi, ang galing katabi, napating.
Shout out to these crews. Bad Boys Cartel, Jeng Lifestyle, Loaded.
Thank you for watching.